how to change shipping address on Amazon after order. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video we are going to be discussing on how we can actually change our shipping address on Amazon after we've placed an order. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So there are three scenarios. You can change the shipping address of an Amazon order as long as it's being delivered by Amazon and hasn't been shipped yet. And the other is you can find the option to change your delivery address on the order page on the Amazon website. And the other is if the item has already shipped or is being sent by a third-party service like FedEx, you will need to cancel the order and then place it again with the correct address. So that's basically how it works. If the order is actually being shipped by Amazon's own delivery fleet, you can simply edit your order and then change the delivery address at any time before the order leaves the warehouse, because Amazon doesn't need to send the delivery info to a third party like FedEx or UPS. And there are some of the things that you actually need to know as well. If your order is being shipped by Amazon's own shipping service called Amazon Logistics, then you can change the shipping address anytime between when you place the order and when it's shipped, because unfortunately once your package hits the road it's too late even if Amazon is actually the shipper. For that you can simply come to your Amazon app or the website, go to the your accounts and list. Over here you'll find your orders and then find the order that you actually want to change and then click on view order details in the gray banner. And then after you've done that, under the shipping address you can select change and then actually change the address in that way. But in case if the order has actually already been shipped, you cannot unfortunately delete it and then actually go ahead and then change the shipping address. For that you have to cancel your order, contact the seller and then request them to change the shipping address. Hope this video helped you clear your confusion. If it did help clear your confusion as to how you can change the shipping address on Amazon after placing an order, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.